Hey out there, YouTube. This is Aurelia's Bibliotech. Now, I know some of you may be surprised about the content I'm about to show you, and you may be thinking, this is a book channel, but this channel is actually filled with all the things I love, and a big part of my life is using product for my natural hair. So, I did go to Sally's some while ago. I never got around to showing you guys what I got, but I did try. Get some of these. Some Shea Moisture. Now, I'm doing like this mask challenge kind of a thing. Trying this mask. And I haven't tried these masks yet. I'm going to try and do an application on camera. And I got these. Now, I have good experience. I have a good experience with the Shea Moisture brand. And the idea of me using the mask is so that my hair can stop feeling so dry. I think that's one of the reasons why ultimately my hair breaks and it doesn't grow. So I've been trying to do these masks once. I was doing them once a week. At one point I'm just doing them twice a week because I started using this mask that was actually really drying. So I had to do that mask like take away the effects of that mask. So I did one twice a week. So I'm doing it with my sister. She's also natural. So this is some of the stuff I got. These are some of the masks I got. This right here, Strength and Color Care mask. I am not colored, but it has purple rice water. I really want to try it. Let me smell it. It smells kind of like lavender. So it has wild orchid and sweet violet extract. And this is the way it looks. And it kind of looks like there's some thick butter. It has a sweet smell. And so I really like this. The thing about it is my hair is so thick. I use like a third of the jar. So if I find something that I really like, I will probably stick to it and don't buy any other masks. So try the Shea Moisture. This one right here. This is good for hair growth. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil and peppermint and also ACV. I don't use this for my hair cleaning. I would like to do like a month where I only, a year probably. Year where I don't shampoo. So I might need it. This also smells really good. It kind of smells like Play-Doh. And it has that texture. It smells good too. Well, in that weird kind of funky way. It smells like Play-Doh, but I can smell the oil. Can't really smell the peppermint. Maybe that's the ACV that smells like that. So I got this one. Also, now I was hoping that this would actually be grayish, but it's not. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's a good texture. And this smells a little plasticky. I don't know about this one. This smells more like a actual. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if I use that. Maybe this will be the next video I do. And my application is usually really quick. I part it in 4 sections. Now, I find that argan oil doesn't do anything great for my hair. So, I really don't need argan oil. This is really thick. Oh, no. I don't like the way that smells. So, these two are definitely on, like, the lower priority list. Maybe I'll start doing it twice a week or 3 times a week. So, when I've been doing it once a week, I haven't been feeling, like, super great. Silk Elements. So I love things with silk protein. My hair loves that. I love anything with biotin, really. I tend to get stuff for over processed hair, color treated hair, damaged hair, just because my hair is none of those things, so it should actually strengthen it. Hopefully. Now, if I'm seeing the reverse happen, I'll probably slow down. Let's see what this looks like. I love things that's really, really thin. That's much thinner. It smells really good. It smells kind of like the Isoplus brand that I grew up with. Let's see what else I have in this bag. So I brought just a lot of random stuff as well. I brought a Denman brush, the D4. It's actually working wonders for my hair. I have to do an application on this channel because my curls have never been defined. I haven't really tried to define my curls in the past because I just kind of just wash it, shake it out, and go. So I really didn't care as much before. But since I plan on, trying to get some strength and some moisture, it might be worth it to try to style it. So here we go. Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. Dry damaged hair. Give it a smell. It smells kind of like a perm. Not like really, really strong, but definitely smells like that after perm conditioner or shampoo that comes in the perm packet. I've also been feeling like it is a perm. I just been feeling like a perm. I use this brand called Castor. I feel like I had a perm. It kind of really messed up my curls. So this is Main Choice. Must Be Magic, Peach Black Tea, and Vitamin Fusion. And this is Metabolism. Now, I do like Main Choice. I really, really like Main Choice. It smells horrible, guys. I don't know why. It smells like old peach tea. This is really, really thin, though. I like this. It'll be easy to put on. I definitely have to do some demos for you guys. Must Be Magic. It has no slip whatsoever. Oh, very chalky. I don't like the smell either. Ugh. Miracle Mud Mask. That's probably why. This here. This kind of look like gel. Oh, yeah, more slip. Extra healthy warming. See, I don't typically go for warming things. I don't like that feel on my skin or scalp. But I'll give it a chance. Because if I can find just my one go-to thing and just use it all the time, instead of experimenting. Like, I bought a bunch of these packets of random brands I've never heard of. Just so I can try it. You guys gotta tell me which one you've had experience with. So I originally didn't want to get a lot, but then I end up going in and getting way too many. I got these a while ago. I love coconut oil. My hair loves coconut. It gives a good shine. Hair chemist with castor. So I do love castor oil. I just recently started using castor oil. I was recommended it. So if I like any of these masks, I'll go ahead and probably try the full size. Some Mystic Divine, Pure Oils. Here's another hair chemist. Another hair chemist. And then this last one is Ion. I remember this brand growing up. I recognize that. Keratin smoothing mask. So I love stuff with keratin. I love stuff with biotin. Love stuff with coconut. Well, my hair responds to it really, really well. Got 2 more of these. So this tropical moringa and this heavenly halo. I love the smell of this sweet oil. I love this. It's kind of what it looks like. Oh, this smells a little... Oh, I can't place it. Kind of like shea butter. Not the greatest texture. But texture is actually very important to me. And you'll figure out why when you see how it behaves in my hair. This is another main choice. This is not a duplicate, is it? No. Exotic Kool-Aid, fresh mango, and passion fruit. See what that smells like. I do not like that. Kind of destroys your nostrils. Like, I need some coffee beans smelling all this stuff in between. So this is something called Sauce Beauty. I've never heard of this before, but I like the idea of using avocado and fruits. It's really, really slippery. I like that. And it actually smells like guacamole. Okay. So I have this one. I actually love African Pride. African Pride is really, really affordable. And also, I love their pre-poo is really, really slick. And it literally goes in my hair like butter. This is really thick. And it smells a little like clay. So, it smells exactly the way it says it smells. It's almond milk. I've heard great things about Carol's daughter, but I haven't used her a lot. It smells really good. I like that. I can see the slip in this already. This is called Roux. Weightless Pressure Oils Collection. Restorative Hair Mask. 3-step regimen for dry, damaged hair. Might have to get the rest, depending on what it says. Like, look how like thick and slick. Oh, yeah. It's really, really slimy. I like that. I don't like stuff that make my hair feel weighed down. Sometimes I'll use a mask and it feels like I'm wearing a hat. I don't like that. And I don't really follow the instructions on the container. I keep it in for however long I want. This is hair chemist. Oh, so I have an actual full size. Don't like the way it smells at all. If you guys have any recommendations for hair masks, please put it in the comment section. And that is it for now. The next video I hopefully will be making is I do a demo with you guys, and it'll probably be after my hair challenge. I'll probably do a hair challenge video right before this. The hair challenge I'm doing right now is I'm using nothing but Castor Oil, that grease, and keep my hair braided, and I'm just putting that on daily and seeing if it has fantastic results. I'm growing my hair out for a wedding. I really want a really nice slick press after the wedding, which will be in the fall. I'll probably cut all my hair off, or perm it. We'll see what the health is. So, and then I'll make a choice from there. Thanks again for coming to my channel. This is Aurelia's Bibliothèque. Auf Wiedersehen.